Hi, just want to tell you about this machine, the clamping machine. Firstly, you can lift a positive and a negative to the battery and make sure the car is on. So then you start it, turn it on this one. This is the red button as you can see from here.
Yes.
So you can turn it on.
Yeah. Turn.
The machine is on. If you want to clamp something,
Yeah.
then you press the red one. The green one is the clamping, so it can go inside.
Yes. Yeah. So finish.
The red button now is finished.
Open.
So it's stop. The red button you can open.
Yeah.
Actually, it's see, as you can see, it's open. There's hydraulic oil here. The hydraulic oil here. So you can open this one, put some more hydraulic, not too full. So not too full. So this is a hydraulic oil, and there's some of the
die set.
our other die sets here. So if you want to go to this one is the number 15, this one is the number 19. So you can remove this one, take this one out, and then you can put another set if you want.
Okay. Thank you.
Other set is down here. There's some more here. You can see down here. There's some more here.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, hope you
Thank
enjoy
you.
this one.